How to add YouTube to profile on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add your YouTube channel to your profile on your Likee app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here on your profile, click on edit, and now you're gonna find those options. Scroll down and you're gonna find add YouTube to profile. Tap there. Once you tap, you should choose your YouTube channel. Once you do that, you can add your YouTube to your profile information, and will be show up here on your profile information beside your bio. And there is another option. You can take your YouTube link and you can pass the link on your bio. So this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.